welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name is Chloe and I'm a digital merchandiser here at Blackburn. We are also proud to be part of the Swansway Group, which is a family-owned business. But today I'm incredibly excited to show you this brand new Audi Q2 1 litre petrol engine what we have in stock. We have got the LED headlights, making sure you have the visibility that you need on the roads with the headlight washer jets. Going around the side of the vehicle, we have got the absolutely amazing 16-inch alloy wheels. These are 5-sport design and really do give off the finishing touch. We have got the door mirrors, which are folding, which are electrically adjustable and heated with auto dimming with integrated LED side indicators. As you can see, this Q2 has got the new shape, so it's a lot more aerodynamic. At the back of the vehicle, we have got the LED headlights again and the rear parking sensors. But as this is a new Audi vehicle, you will receive 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance. This includes MOT cover and key cover. Going into the boot now on this mini SUV, it just screams out practical. As you can see, it's got a lot of room for all your personal belongings and even a little shopping hook so your shopping bags don't roll over all over the place in the boot. It is powered by an electrical tailgate also, so one click of the button and it will automatically come down for you. Into the front of this Q2, we have got the staggering front sport seats finished in cloth, and as we turn around, we have got this stunning 3-spoke multifunctional steering wheel. We have got all the door mirror controls and a little button to open the boot from inside the vehicle for a little bit more convenience. We have got the beautiful inlays in this car surrounding the MMI navigation system controlled by the trackpad. We have got the Apple CarPlay, so you'll be able to connect up your phone and play favourite tracks. Telephone interface, so you'll be able to ring people hands-free. And the media player, so you'll be able to connect up to your chosen devices. That digital radio. Further down from that, we have got a drive select button. This enables the driver to put their car into whatever mode they would like to drive in. So, for example, dynamic for a more sporty drive. Moving on, we have got the super accessible manual air conditioning to the both driver and passenger, so you'll be able to manage the heat easily in this car. We also have the 6-speed manual gearbox with the electrical mechanical parking brake. We also have the very attractive diamond finished silver grey inlays. Moving on to the 3-spoke leather trim multifunctional steering wheel and the digital dashboard behind the steering wheel. We have all the functions you'll be able to display. DAB digital radio, smartphone interface and media player. We also have the cruise control, making these long motorway journeys super comfy. Automatic rain sensors with automatic lights, making your journey that little bit more effortless. And let's not forget about the SOS button. So if you would like any more information about this vehicle, we have some amazing offers at the moment. So please do call 01254 868 216. Thank you for watching.